guys, what's up? I'm Richa Rich and you are watching Richa Rich TV.
It's wrong, I can't make right. I love the bird.
So guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's exciting video, well, at least exciting for me, I am going to show you all how I put on these fabulous nails. So if you guys did not know about press-on nails, then after watching this video you will, and they are a lifesaver. Trust me guys, अगर आप लोगों को long nails का शौक है मेरी तरह, लेकिन आप नहीं रख सकते, maybe you're working, you need to be very efficient, you are maybe drawing, writing, whatever, उसके साथ तो obviously you can't keep this, but on some special occasions you do like to pamper yourself and get long nails. I know you can go to the salon and get them, but those are very expensive. I think over $1,000 or something. I'm not sure. मैं तो कभी गई नहीं हूँ मैं कभी, so I have no idea. These you will get at like a fraction of the price of that, right? Maybe starting from 300, 400, 500, 600. That's the range. It can also go up to thousands depending on the design, but yeah, you will get this. And the thing is, वो अगर salon वाले nails तो आप एक बार आपने लगा दिया, उसके बाद निकाल दिया, खत्म. These you can reuse. Yeah, you can reuse these, obviously as long as you don't break them or something, right? So if you're careful and if you just remove it nicely and take care of them, basically you can reuse them. So आपको 300, 400 या maybe 600 में you'll get something that you'll be able to reuse for maybe, I don't know, 10 times. I'm not sure, depends on person to person and how you take care, right? So don't quote me on that, but yeah. So isn't that a good deal? I think it is. I just found that out on Instagram. I just got recommended an ad randomly about this page and I was like, wow, this is cool, and I bought 2 sets of nails. So I'm gonna wear one today. I'm gonna actually show you how I put these on and everything, the whole process, and I think I'll be talking throughout it. Yeah, I will be. So yeah, without any further ado, let's begin the video. So here we are guys, Pep Nails, kids that care. So yeah, I have 2 sets of nails and yeah, I'm gonna wear this one. Okay, so I'll show you the other one as well. पहले मैंने सोचा था कि I'll wear this, but then I liked this one more, so I was like, I'll try that one out. फोकस ही नहीं हो रहा है. So yeah, I don't know what this is called, holographic, I don't know, something like that, but yeah, it's pretty, but I want to try the other ones. So yeah, this is the set that I'm going to put on today. Wow, I got a card called thank you, and oh, it has my name on it. Let's read kya hai isme. Hi Richa, we are really humbled by your order. Thank you for supporting us and helping us get one step closer to our dream. We hope our products make you happy and make you feel like the beautiful woman you are. Love, Pep Nails. Love this. Alright, so यहाँ पर I guess, yeah, instructions हैं. A guide to put on your pretty little liars. Oh, I like this. Preparation. Find the perfect sizes for your nails from the 12 sizes provided in each hand. So I've actually done that पहले ही. मैंने ना सारे जो भी नेल्स में जो फिट बैठ रहा है उसका नंबर लिख दिया है, सो दैट इट्स ईजियर फॉर मी, क्योंकि वो करते रहने में काफ़ी टाइम लगता है. सो मैंने ऑलरेडी कल रात को ही नंबर लिख के रख दिया था. सो दैट इज़ डन. देन यूज़ द क्यूटिकल स्टिक टू जेंटली पुश योर क्यूटिकल्स बैक. बैक है which I've opened and seen कि क्या है. Alright, और कुछ है नहीं, तो ये है cuticle stick. Yeah. Then what's the next instruction? Buff your nail beds with a buffer to remove any dirt or ridges. So ये है nail buffer. Nail file nail, remove ridges, smooth nail, shine nail. So ये है buffer. Sanitize your nails with alcohol swabs. वाओ आई कैन स्पीक टुडे। कंट्रोल डी अल्कोहल स्वैब। मैंने तो सैनिटाइज़र भी ला के रख दिया था बट इसमें है ऑलरेडी, सो दैट्स गुड। बट ज़रूरत पड़ेगी तो सैनिटाइज़र भी लगा लेंगे। फिर एप्लीकेशन में क्या करना है, इन केस ऑफ ग्लू टैब्स विच आर दीज, अप्लाई द करेक्ट साइजेस ऑफ glue tabs on your natural nails. Remove the protective film and stick the nails. तो ये मैंने YouTube में भी देखा था। बेसिकली इसको लेके चिपकाना है अपने फिंगर पे एंड बाद में जब हम नेल को स्टिक कर रहे होंगे तो उसको ऊपर वाला लेयर निकाल के नेल स्टिक कर देना। बट आई एम नॉट गोना यूज़ दिस टुडे, बाद में कभी यूज़ करूँगी। मुझे आज नेल ग्लू यूज़ करना है, सो आई यूज़ दैट। इन केस ऑफ नेल ग्लू, use the pen to pierce the glue bottle. This is the pen and let's see. खोलना भी होता है? हाँ खोलना तो है। क्या ये तो ऑलरेडी pierced है? What? मेरे हाथ में लग गया। Shit. Let me clean it. Apply glue on the pep nail and your natural nail and hold for 30 seconds to stick the nail properly. Repeat this process for all the other nails. Okay. Cut and file as per your preferred length. Click an Insta-ready picture of your pep nails and tag us. Well, I'm actually gonna do that. But anyway, so process तो easy है। removal तो अभी हम करने नहीं वाले हैं, but इसमें removal के भी instruction दिए हुए हैं, post care सब कुछ दिया है। So I'm gonna actually save this, पूरा डब्बा ही सेव करूँगी। but yeah, तो instructions इन्होंने actually अपने Instagram पेज पर भी दिए थे। Wash your hands and pat them dry, ये मैं कर चुकी ऑलरेडी। तो फिर अल्कोहल स्वैब से क्लीन करना है। ऑलराइट, सो यूज द क्यूटिकल स्टिक टू जेंटली पुश योर क्यूटिकल्स बैक। Yeah, finally. So इसमें steps भी लिखा हुआ है। That's very convenient. Let's, काफ़ी soft है, so I'm just gonna go with this. Alright, step 1 done. Step 2 क्या है? Remove ridges. Smooth and shine. I don't think we need to smooth and shine our nails, right? Because इसके ऊपर तो हम लगाने वाले हैं, so I think वो post care के लिए। So I guess we'll just leave this step and move on to the next step, which is sanitizing our nails. तो काफ़ी छोटा है, probably could get my sanitizer. Oh, I took a long time to say. Alright, so sanitizing done. And अब हम finally जा सकते हैं to the next step, which is applying the false nails. Use the pen to pierce the glue bottle. Already pierced लग रहा है, but we'll still do it अपनी तसल्ली के लिए. Alright, so the glue is pierced. Already मेरे हाथ में चिपकने लग गया. What? So सारे nails मैं आप लोगों को दिखा देती हूँ। अब तक आप लोगों ने डिज़ाइन भी नहीं देखा होगा. So yeah, I'll just show you what the designs are. So इसमें 12 nails आते हैं. So 2 nail है जो obviously इनको set नहीं हुए, so I've kept them aside. But बाकी सारे nails हैं यहाँ. Marble white और उसके ऊपर black marble effect. I really like that. Apply glue on the pep nail and to your natural nail and hold for 30 seconds. Repeat this process for all other nails. So guys, बहुत हमें कम glue use करना है because ये बहुत strong glue रहता है. So the strategy I'm gonna use is पहले इस पिंकी का, फिर इस पिंकी का, फिर ये ऐसे करके जाऊँगी. पता नहीं मैंने किसी ऐसी वीडियो के नीचे कमेंट में पढ़ा था हाउ टू पुट ऑन प्रेस ऑन नेल्स, तो वहाँ पर ऐसे किसी ने बताया था. सो आई जस्ट वांट टू ट्राई दैट. पहले अरे यार डर लग रहा है. अप्लाई ग्लू ऑन द पेप नेल एंड योर नेचुरल नेल एंड होल्ड फॉर 30 सेकेंड्स टू स्टिक द नेल प्रॉपरली. ओके, यहाँ एक ड्रॉप डाल देती हूँ. ज़्यादा नहीं लगता है, कम ग्लू ही डालना होता है मैंने सुना है. थिन लेयर होना चाहिए. ऑलराइट, लेट्स सी कैसे होता है. ओ शिट, ये क्या कर. ऑलराइट, 1 2 3. So guys, we just have to wait until this thing sticks properly. So oh my god, wow, nice. Looks nice to me, to be very honest. Wow. चलो नेक्स्ट नेल पे चलते हैं. करना ही भूल गई हूँ मैं, कैसे करना है. Oh, I picked this up. Alright, okay. There you go. So guys, here are my nails, and let me just close this Gluca bottle real quickly before it dries. Will it even close? Yeah, it did. Or did it? I don't know. Alright, jitna bhi hoga kafi hai. So guys, these are the nails, and I think they look super pretty, but the length is a bit too much even for me. I used to keep long nails, but अचानक से इतने सारे nails आ गए, अब कुछ करना ही मुश्किल हो रहा है. I guess it'll take some time to get used to it, but मैं कल शाम को तो निकालने वाली हूँ. So yeah, whatever. But yeah, these are really pretty. बहुत मज़ा आया मुझे ये डाल के, although it was बहुत टेंशन देने वाला काम. So guys, hope you enjoyed the video, and in case you are interested to buy these nails online, then I will definitely leave the information down in the description below. Very trustworthy page. I really love their products. I bought 2 nail kits, and I love them, so I highly recommend them. And obviously this video is not sponsored. Who will sponsor me, guys? think 2 views के लिए कोई sponsor नहीं करता है. So yeah, this is my honest genuine opinion. मुझको बहुत अच्छे लगे इनके nails, और बहुत सारे different designs भी है. So you can definitely go and check them out. And process तो मैंने आप लोगों को दिखाई दिया है, but still if you guys have any doubts, जो इतना मुझे आता है, I will definitely try to help you. Leave that in the comments below, okay? So if you enjoyed this video and you found this helpful, entertaining, funny, I don't know, funny, क्यों? I'm just thinking कुछ funny हुआ था. Anyway, whatever, then please leave a like, and of course subscribe to my channel if you want more of these videos, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you are notified every time I post a video. And of course, leave a comment and let me know your thoughts. Bye bye guys, take care, and I'll see you all in the next one. Sorry guys, blame the nails, I'm just feeling sassy.